Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. So in the previous class, we have started the revision of chapter number 1 and we have revised it up to irrigation. Okay, so now let us see why irrigation is needed and what is irrigation. So what is irrigation actually? The supply of water to crops at regular intervals is called irrigation. When we supply water to crops at a regular interval of time, then the process is called irrigation. Why do we need to supply water to plants? Because we know that various type of nutrients and minerals are being provided to plants through water, which are present in water, and 90% of plant is made up of water. Hence water is very necessary for irrigation. Okay, now if we talk about the sources of irrigation, what are the sources of irrigation? The sources of water for irrigation are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. So these are the main sources of irrigation. Now what are the methods being used for irrigation? So in the methods of methods used for irrigation, we will study about the traditional method of irrigation. So what are the traditional methods of irrigation? First of all comes moat. So this kind of setup which you can see in the picture is called a moat, in which we pull out the water from the well using a big vessel using the pulley and the rope. Okay, another type of method of irrigation is chain pump irrigation. This type of setup you can see in the picture is a chain pump irrigation. Another is a dhekli, in which we use weight on the one side of the log and another side a container. Another type of method of irrigation is rahat, which you can see in the picture. In rahat, what we do, we use the power of a wool or an animal. Okay, so now we will study about the modern methods of irrigation. Just now we have studied about the traditional method of irrigation. Now we are going to study about the some modern methods of irrigation. So what are the modern methods of irrigation? First of all comes the sprinkler. What is sprinkler system? In sprinkler system, what we do, we provide water in the form of sprinkles, in the form of water droplets, just like rain. You can see in the picture, here is a sprinkler system, you can see. Okay, next type of system in a modern irrigation comes the drip system. In the drip system, what we do, we provide the plants with the water drop by drop on the that particular parts of the field or the particular area in which plant is growing. We provide water only there, drop by drop. Okay, so in this way we save our water also. Okay, so next topic is protection from weeds. So how do we protect our crop from the weeds? The first of the method is to use the instruments like khurpi and other instruments, from which we can, what we can do, we can hand pick the weeds. Another method is to use weedicides, just like 2,4-D, okay, which kills the weeds. What are weeds actually? Weeds are the unwanted plants growing with the crop. वीड्स क्या होते हैं? कुछ अनवांटेड प्लांट्स जो कुछ घास टाइप की होती है जो क्रॉप्स के साथ उगने लगते हैं. Isn't it? So we can stop them, yeah, we can control the weeds by using weedicides or by hand picking them with the help of a khurpi and other instruments. Okay, another topic comes our harvesting. What is harvesting? When the crop is completely grown up or matured, we can say, then we have to harvest the crop. So harvesting is done today with the help of a harvester or a combine machine, we can say, in which what we do, we cut the crop and harvest them. Okay, another topic comes about the storage. We also need to store the crop we have taken from the fields. So it is really a very important process, the storage, because maybe our crop may get affected due to some insects and other things. It can get wet also. So it is really very important to store our crop in a proper manner. So what we do, we use some pest controls, pesticides for controlling the pest and all. Okay, So this was our chapter number 1, crop production and management. Thank you.